Hello.
Hello,
Listen your name.
my name is Slenderman.
Sorry, speak up.
My name is Slenderman.
Slenderman. Okay, that's a funny name. Slenderman. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Hanoi, Vietnam.
Okay, perfect. Slenderman, we're having a test today. We're going to talk about days of the week. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, I have some questions for you. What is the name of your school?
my school name is Hanoi.
Anh Hưng? You go to Anh Hưng school?
Yes,
Okay. And which class are you in?
I'm in class 186.
1A6? And who is your teacher? Do you remember?
Teacher is Hồng Nga.
My teacher's name is,
Hồng Nga.
or my teacher is Miss
Miss Hồng Nga.
Miss Hong Anh. Okay. Let's talk about your family. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Can you name them?
They are dad,
Okay, so there is my
Mom.
dad,
mom,
mom.
brother, and me.
Okay, you have a brother. Do you have a younger brother or older brother?
Oh,
Older. How old is your brother? How old is your brother? Is
is 9,
9. And you? How old are you?
6,
You're 6 and your brother is 9. Okay, so he is older. Yes? Okay. What colors do you like?
I like red, blue, and orange.
And orange. You have 3 favorite colors. What fruits do you like?
I like watermelon, orange,
Oranges, watermelons, oranges,
and kiwi.
kiwi fruit? Okay, I like kiwi too. What animals do you like?
I like dog, cat, and lion.
Lions? Aren't you scared of lions?
Yeah,
Yes, I'm scared of lions. We can see a lion here, right? Okay. Do you have any pets at home? At your home, do you have any animals? I have 1 dog. How about you? Do you have any animals at home? I have, or you don't have?
no.
No animals at home, no pets. What do you like to eat in general? I like to eat fried chicken,
I
burgers, soup.
Fried chicken, pizza, and hot dog.
Fried chicken, pizza, and hot dog. Fast food, you'll get so fat. Ooh, I'm not sure that's a good idea. Be careful, yeah? Don't eat every day, maybe in the weekend. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. How many days are there in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Okay, so today is,
Today is Sunday,
tomorrow is,
Monday,
today is,
Tuesday,
tomorrow is,
Wednesday,
today is,
Thursday,
tomorrow is,
Friday,
today is,
Saturday,
tomorrow is.
Sunday.
Perfect. Choop. What do you do? Pew, pew. It's broken. Pew, pew, pew. What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday. What do you do on Mondays?
I go to school from Monday.
On Monday. From Monday. Okay, that's good. I go to school from Monday till Friday. Very good. What do you do on Mondays?
I go swimming on Monday. I draw picture on Monday.
Perfect. Pew. What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What do you do on Tuesdays? I
I go swimming on Tuesday. I play with my friends on Tuesday.
Pew. What day is today?
Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. What do you do on Wednesdays?
I watch TV on Wednesday.
Okay.
I go swimming on Wednesday. I draw picture on Wednesday.
I listen to music. I listen to music. I listen to music on Wednesdays. I listen music. Listen to music. This is my alarm. Okay. What day is today?
Today is Thursday.
What do you do on Thursdays? I
go to school on Thursday.
I
ride bike on Thursday.
Okay. Pew. What day is today?
Today is Friday.
What do you do on Fridays?
I ride bike on Friday. I watch TV on Friday.
Pew. What do you do on the weekend? I
ride bike
on the weekend.
I draw a picture
On the weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it.